Are you an optimist or a pessimist? Or neither? When I'm with my clients who I coach, it comes through that I'm definitely more of an optimist than pessimist. After all, who would want a pessimist for a coach? Being pessimistic would mean not seeing possibility, being very cynical, saying things like, why bother? And who wants that? Who wants to be encouraged by a pessimist? An optimist is someone who sees possibility, who encourages, who supports, someone who can be there to help someone else, to see what can be done, what's within one's control, what one can start doing. And I'd like to encourage you to think of whether you are more optimist than pessimist. What's within your control? What can you start doing today? I hope you have a great day.